Hi everyone. This is actually a quick video of a tip I want to give you that I saw somewhere and I couldn't believe when I tried it and it really worked. So you're wondering what I'm doing with the foil here. That is a way to clean your glue gun. So all know how dirty my glue gun gets. And look, I've already started on this side, and it really, your glue gun must be on, it must be hot, and then you just go around with the foil and cleanse it. It takes everything off. I can't believe it. So easy to clean your glue gun. Let me try on that side. I still can't believe how quickly and easily you can clean your glue gun with foil. So yeah, so now I've decided that my glue gun is clean. I think I need a new board just where I always put my glue gun on, so it's not top of loops like this everywhere. So I just want to take a piece of cardboard. It's going to look the same size as this one. Also, it's a nice size. Nothing fancy, just so yeah, that was just a quick tip on how to clean your glue gun. Bye.